And just like that, the roles have changed. What are you now? You changed from the witch? You changed from the witch to the princess? Yeah. Okay. Come here. Push your cart. Come to mama. Look at her. Come. Come here. Come here. You're going back to your room. Hard tie. 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 Hold the fart here and hit the egg hard. Harder. Harder. Oh my God, by the time this egg finish break, all we'll have is egg trash. Now, crepe buddy, look at him. He's happy. That's your number. How many crepe that you're eating? 3 crepes he's eating. The third one. Crepe.
And today what we
Almost finished. What do you say?
Today total doing 6.
You're too
And I
funny.
only did 3.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Hi Fizz, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. I wish I could be in my bed right now, but that can't happen because my kids are home from school today. It's a Wednesday and here in France, there's no school on a Wednesday. So what do parents have to do? If one of the parents are home, then it's not bad. You take care of your kids. But if not, you have to either let them stay at the grandparents, at a friend, or you quit working on a Wednesday, or there's some schools that offer services on a Wednesday that you pay, and it's like they go to school to do activities all this. They would be like painting or doing games and stuff like that. But the thing about those schools are that you normally go to the one in your area, and when the registration is open, it fills in a split second. So if you don't get on when that registration public size that it's available for registration, dog name your supper, as Jamaicans would say, because it filled up and you don't have no space. That have happened to us before. When the registration open, people fill it within 10 minutes. If you go on 15 minutes later, there's no space, trust me. But anyway, since I'm home, I don't need to send my kids to those kind of schools. But the day that I go back to work or I go back to school, we'll have to figure it out. Like when I was at school a few months ago, Babe had to stay home, or my friend Danielle would come and stay with them in cases like those. And France give vacation every 5 weeks. Here in France, the kids get vacation from school every 5 weeks. Get 2 weeks. Luxury, right? Yes, I know. But they have long school days because school starts at 8:30 and finish at 4:30 for everybody, from the youngest to the oldest. And we like to put our kids in aftercare. Who is that? Look who we have here. Who is that? Say good morning, witch.
Good.
How are you? You're dressed as a witch today.
Yeah.
Where are you going?
I go to trick or treat.
You going trick or treat?
Yeah.
Okay. Have fun. You gonna have fun?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm
You
gonna
can.
play the Coaster Paw Patrol.
What?
I play the puzzle.
You playing puzzle?
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. You can play puzzle. Where's your brother?
No.
He's in the room. Okay, let's go find him. I'm giving you guys 1,000,001 things this morning. Let's go find brother. She said she playing puzzle. Where is that's him? Good morning, brother.
Good morning.
Turn around. How are you? What are you doing? You're playing with your cards. Your sister come and told me that she's playing Paw Patrol puzzle, but that's not Paw Patrol puzzle. That's Paw Patrol cards. You are too cute. But there are puzzles up here, Sarah, that you can do if you want to do puzzle. But you have to pack up these ones first, huh? Okay?
Okay.
And you can go and do your princess puzzle. And you can go down and do your paper puzzle. Okay? But you pack up these first, okay?
Okay.
Put them back in the box.
Puzzle.
Mm-hmm.
And
And then you can...
puzzle.
Right. And then you can go for your puzzle. And Mama will teach you how to write today also, okay?
Okay.
Alright.
Help.
She want Tyler to help her to clean up her mess. She's something else. Anyway, you guys, I don't even remember what I was telling you guys before she came. But have a good day. Enjoy today's vlog. I am home with the kids today. So you'll be seeing a lot of them. I have some stuff that I need to go and get done. I'm trying to find the motivation to move around this morning. But anyway, I'm taking a rest today from workout. So we'll see how that goes. I feel guilty anyway, but my body needs a rest. Because I work out Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. 4 days in a row, and I'm taking today, Wednesday. And then I'll be back tomorrow. So not so bad. Anyway, I'm going to stop the rambling. Baby's out of town today. So you guys may or may not see him later. Hopefully you guys will get to see him. But I'm gonna leave you here. Have a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated. Catch up and keep up. Subscribe if you're new to the fan bam. And we'll see you guys throughout the rest of today. Look at her doing puzzle. You doing puzzle?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pink puzzle.
Yeah. Learn to write your numbers.
Yeah. Are
Okay.
you ready?
I am ready. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Good. No, hold the pencil properly. Oh, Mama show you. You hold it like this. Good job. Put it and write 0. Go on. You can do it.
I can do it.
Go around, around. Keep going. 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 Good job. Next one. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Good job. Do the other one. That's okay. It will get better. No, you stay on the line, okay?
See?
Stay in the line. Good job. Continue. Yay! Do the other one. No, hold the pencil like this, okay?
Okay. It's pretty better.
Yes, it's getting better. Look. See? Good job. Hold it. Like this. Hold your head up so you can see what you're doing. Look, right. Look at it. Around. You have to look. Around. Hold the pencil strong, Sarah. Strong.
Strong?
Yes, go now. Right.
I'm gonna ride like
Do it.
Peppa can help.
No, Sarah do it. Sarah, do it like at school, okay? Hold it. Hold it strong. Put it and write on the line.
Uh-oh.
That's okay. Do it on the circle. Do the circle.
Circle.
Do it. Come, let Mama help you. Hold the pencil properly. And you do like that.
Huh?
See? One
Yeah.
more.
Yeah.
Do on the line. Next one. Do on the
9.
on the line.
2 on the 9.
Do on the line.
And 2 on the 9.
Do on the line. Bravo! See, Sarah did it alone. Good job. Your turn. No, hold it properly. Very good. Do it on the line. Put it on the line. Yay! Mwah! Sarah, turn again. Do it on the line.
No, Mama turn.
Okay, Mama turn. Sarah turn. Sarah turn. No, hold it properly. Very good. Underline. Bravo! So you guys, I got Sarah these books. They were on our Christmas wish list. So there are books where teaching kids how to write their letters and numbers. So she have different ones. She have the ones with letters, she have the one with numbers, and she have the ones with lines. So hold up, I'm talking to the faves. So what these books have, the numbers for you to trace, right, the number for you to trace have an indent in the page, so it kind of help them to stay in line. And with the specific pen that comes with the book, the ink disappears after a while and remains back clean, come back clean. So she'll always have the book to re-practice and practice and practice and practice over and over. So once you write it, it goes away after a while. The only thing is, when the ink of the pen finish, which come with refills, I have like 5-6 different refills. So when these ink finish, I'm gonna have to go on Amazon and order some more. Don't do that, don't touch it. I'm gonna have to go on Amazon and order some more ink. But they're really helping Sarah to start forming her numbers and her letters and her lines really nicely. Yay, so I'm excited. Come. The only thing I realized that she's not confident. Go around, walk around. She's not confident in herself to do it alone, so I have to kind of boots her along the way, which is okay. She'll get it. Do the number one. That's okay. It will get clean. Do the number one. No, hold the pen properly. Very good. Do the number one. Hold it short. Go. Number one. One line. Two. Yes, do it. Look. See, Mama help you. Look. Look. No, look here. Look. One line down. Okay?
One line down.
One line down. Sarah, turn one line down. No, hold the pen properly. Very good. Put it at the top and down. Bravo. Good job. Okay, go again. One line down. Hold the pencil properly. Short. Hold your head up. Be brave. One line down. Look.
Be brave.
Be brave. No, hold the pencil properly. Very good. One line down.
One line.
Bravo! One line down. Go again.
One line down.
Bravo!
Mama
Again.
turn.
No, Sarah turn this time. One line down. No, hold the pencil properly. Hold the pen No, hold the pen properly. Very good. One line down. Bravo! Bravo! Hear them, hear them. See why I can't study when they're home?
Are you ready? Yeah!
What are you two playing?
We're playing Play-Doh on the floor and drying.
You're playing Play-Doh on the floor and drying out.
Yes.
Okay. Witchy?
Mama, you see the Naruto game I lost versus Papa?
Mm-hmm.
I trained at it.
You what?
Trained
Mm-hmm.
at it.
Mm-hmm.
And I used all of the person because normally we had used only 2%. This time I used all of them before.
Okay.
The pee-pee.
Okay, what? Parakeet, do what?
The pee-pee.
The parakeet using the potty to pee pee? Okay. You did a lot of pee pee? You did a lot of pee pee?
And at the end there was 2 eliminated.
Okay, you guys see the character of my kids. But Jesus, that's where you throw the pee pee of the parakeet? Where did you throw the pee pee? Where did you throw parakeet pee pee? Oh my gosh, you're funny.
On the floor.
Oh no, the floor is rubber.
Oh my gosh, she's too funny. Okay, I'm gone. What do you want for lunch?
I
What you want for lunch, Sarah? Fries and ketchup.
I want
And you?
pasta and ham.
You want pasta and ham?
Yes.
That sounds like what we gotta do. No fries and ketchup. You had fries last night.
We don't have
You're gonna have pasta, okay? Pasta and sausage. The big sausage. I don't have any ham. Oh, the ham for the sandwich? It's only that ham I have. Okay, alright. Oh my gosh, they're too funny. I love seeing them like that though. You hear them? Oh my gosh. And just like that, the roles have changed. What are you now? You changed from the witch? You changed from the witch to the princess? Yeah. Okay. Come here. Push your cart. Come to mama. Look at her. Come. Come here. Come here. You're going back to your room? Okay, bye. Come, let me... She going back to her room. She got it up. Oh my God. What did you request Mama to make?
Crepe.
Crepe. I haven't made crepe for him in a while. Been a minute.
An egg and sugar.
So he requests egg. He requests crepe. So we're making crepe here so we can break them in here.
Ah.
Wow! 10 in an 8.
It's 8. It's not 10.
8 eggs. What? Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Good
8
job.
eggs.
All right, it's time to break them. Who's first?
Me.
Yeah.
I'm
Wait,
first.
Ty, go first.
I'm
Hold it. Do you remember what to do, Ty? Hard. Hard, Ty. Ty. Ty, hold the fork here and hit the egg hard. Harder. Harder. Oh my God, by the time this egg finish break, all we'll have is egg trash. Ah.
You say hard, so I did hard.
Yeah, but you're not doing hard enough, Ty.
I can't try.
Yes. Ty, we're using here of the fork. Let me go and show you so you understand. Look. Hard. One more. That's it. You just need 2 hits. Okay? Go again.
here.
One more. Right. There we go. Sarah, your turn to hit it.
Yeah.
Okay. Hard, Sarah. Hard. Hard. Good job.
Me too.
You want to hit it again?
Yeah.
Harder. One more. Right. Okay, Ty turn.
Yes.
Here.
Thank you.
Put the egg.
Right. One more. Wow, good job.
Here.
Thank
Again.
you. Hard Ty. With
Hard.
yes. Tyler hit the egg about 10 times. And poor little Sarah give it 2 little hit and done.
Me too.
Sarah turned the last one. One more, Sarah.
Here.
Sarah, don't you go? One more. One more. All right. Good job, guys. You did good, guys.
Ah! What the
I did
Tyler.
3. She did 3.
Say sorry.
Say sorry for what? What did he do?
Say sorry, Tyler.
What did Tyler do?
Tyler, say sorry.
Why?
Say sorry.
He didn't do anything.
Say sorry, Tyler. Say sorry.
Sarah, Sarah.
Yes.
Alright, I only say sorry when he does something wrong, okay?
I'm sorry.
No, Sarah, that's okay. He didn't do anything wrong. He said sorry to who? The egg? But he did the egg. Look at them. It's yummy? It's yummy? Yes. They're not even answering. Me and my crepe buddy, look at him. He's happy. That's your number. How many crepe that you're eating? 3 crepes he's eating. The third one. Crepe.
And today what we
Almost finished. What do you say?
today total doing 6.
You're too
And I
funny.
only did 3 left.
I think you'll eat
1
more than
now
6.
and 2 at the good day.
You want one more?
Yes.
No.
And after 2 at good day.
No.
Please.
You see your face? Sarah is taking a nap, so Sarah is missing out on the crepe until she wake up.
Now
So now what?
You
I have to
turn it.
spin this
Yes.
and then what? Whichever color it falls
for example,
on.
if it go on yellow, we go on a yellow.
Okay. It's on gray.
Okay, so us 2 we still
Already on gray, so
Yes.
I have to go on a gray. Sarah, no,
Sorry,
it's gray.
go
Go
here.
back on gray.
Go here.
gray.
I want the gray.
Yes. Mama have to answer a question. Okay, my question is, so I have to do whatever the paper says. My question says, move your arm as if you are swimming freestyle. Alright. Pat your head and rub your belly at the same time.
Easy. Come on.
It's not easy.
4,
That's not easy.
7, 8, 9, 10. Act like your hula hoop.
Act like hula hoop, Sarah. Hula hoop. And then there is dinner. So here is what I made today. Fish, some green beans, some meatballs, some mashed potatoes, and some rice. So that's dinner for today. And just like that, the day has come to an end and I am signing out. But before I go, I'm coming to let you guys see
me. How are you guys? Had a good day? Had a wonderful day. Which day it is?
Wednesday stress day.
Wednesday is today.
Yes, baby.
Okay,
it's
so it's
Wednesday.
today the vlog. Okay. How was your day?
It's today vlog for tomorrow. Because
Okay.
I didn't vlog a few days.
How was your day?
My day was busy with my kids. We
Busy
had a
with
lot
your
of fun without you. How about that?
Me, I'm tired. I have a long day at work and it's only Wednesday, so I'm looking forward for the weekend.
He's looking forward for the weekend.
Yeah.
Anyway, you guys, somebody suggested in the comment section that each day, you guys, he's playing a game. That's why he's not focused on you guys. And he doesn't want to lose. But anyway, somebody suggested in the comment section that each day we're to give them a hint of where we're going for vacation.
Oh.
So the hint the last time was Tyler told them that a lot of red,
he said
yellow,
colour,
and a lot of color. Okay, a hint coming from you because I have a hint in mind. So if you give them a hint, I won't give them my hint until
give
the
your
next day.
hint.
Okay, my hint is that they wear a lot of touch hat.
I was thinking about it and I say,
Too easy.
too easy. That's your hint. So,
So the hint is they wear a lot of touch hat, a lot of hat, big hat. So that's the hint for today. Hopefully you guys will catch on. I saw a few people guess it in the comment section, but I won't say anything yet. I'll keep giving you guys the hint and see how close you guys will get. Anyway, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam. catch up and keep up. And of course, we'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna leave this man, let him play game in peace. You see him? You see him? Playing game.